hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are learning Slow Ride by Foghat, but we have a catch. This is going to be the easiest beginner guitar version of this you can find on YouTube. The reason we're doing that is because we have a lot of beginner guitar students following us online, and we want to give you guys something that's not just a chord strumming song. So this is going to be a classic rock song, and I'm going to leave out all lead lines for now for this lesson, and we're going to break down each section riff by riff. Alright, so let's get started. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. Okay, let's real quickly talk about the song form here. We've got an intro, and that happens 2 times. We've got like a chorus chord progression that happens 4 times. And then we've got the verse chord progression that happens twice. And then we've got the pre-chorus happens once, and then we've got a chorus that happens twice, and then we have like a post-chorus, if you want to call it that, and that happens 2 times. Then you have a solo break because we're not doing the lead lines in this lesson, and then it goes back to the verse twice, the pre-chorus, but just C to D the second time, then straight back to the chorus 2 times. Then you've got your post-chorus twice, another 4-measure lead line break that we're not going to do, and then you go back to the intro a total of 4 more times. Okay, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. So we have a simple 1-finger A power chord. I told you guys we're going to keep it super simple, so we're going to put our index finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and we're going to strum the 5th and the 4th together. That's an A power chord. Then we've got a D power chord. All you're going to do is drop that index finger to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and strum the 4th and the 3rd together. There's your D power chord. All right, now we also have an F sharp power chord. So you're going to put your index on the 2nd fret, 6th string, and your 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 5th string, and you're only going to strum the 2 you're touching there. All right, so then we've got your basic C chord. All right, 3rd finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then you got your index on the 1st fret, 2nd string, and you strum from the 5th down. Then we've got your basic D chord, so your index finger goes on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and you strum from the 4th down. Basic D chord. All right. So let's jump into the main riff, the main couple riffs on this song. So we've got the intro, which is just your 1-finger A power chord with a couple of rests that we kind of have to practice. So you're going to go A, rest. And when I rest, I kind of mute it with my right hand. A, rest. So I go A, rest. A, rest. So that's what you got to get first. A, rest. A, rest. So then he goes on, A, rest, A, rest, A, rest, 0, 3, 0, 3. So that's open on the 5th, 3rd fret on the 5th, open on the 5th, 3rd fret on the 5th. So it's A, rest, A, rest, 0, 3, 0, 3. So it's A, rest, A, rest, A, rest, 0, 3, 0, 3. That is your intro riff. All right. So now let's look at section B. All right. Section B is the chorus riff. It happens right after the intro in the main song form. So same kind of thing. You're going to start with your A 1-finger power chord, and you're going to go A, and rest, and then you're going to play the 5th string open by itself. Drop your index down for the D power chord, and then your middle finger is going to come to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and play that 3rd fret, 5th string. So together that sounds like open D, 3rd fret, 5th string. So it's rest. I'll do that again. One more time. Rest. All right, so then the next measure is just an A power chord. A, rest. So if you put those 2 measures together, you've got A, rest. A, rest, A, rest. I'll do it again, A, rest. A, rest, A, rest. That is your chorus riff. That's like the main riff you hear through most of the song. So I'm going to play it one more time really slowly. A, rest, single note on the 5th string. Drop my index down for the D, play both of those. And then I'm going to put my middle finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. And then back to A. All right, let's look at section C, all right, which is the verse. You're going to go from your A power chord to that F sharp power chord, which if we want to review would be the 2nd fret, 6th string, and then the 4th fret, 5th string. And you're only going to strum those 2 strings that you're touching, sorry. So it's going to go A, rest, A, rest. So it's the same kind of rhythm, just a little bit different when we get to the F sharp rest, F sharp rest. So it's A, rest, A, rest, F sharp rest, rest. That's the verse. Pretty simple. You just got to practice this move back and forth, all right? For all of you out there that have only been doing strumming stuff for a long time, this is the perfect beginner kind of classic rock song to get you guys started on, you know, playing something with this more of a riff-based song. So I'll play that again. This is the verse from Slow Ride. A, rest, A, rest, F sharp, rest, F sharp, rest, A, rest, rest, and then F sharp, rest, rest, okay? Then, kind of the next bit of the verse, you can call it like a pre-chorus. You're going to slide back, play the full C for 4 beats, then D for 4 beats, and then you go back to your A power chord. But let's look at that. So you're coming from A, rest to F sharp, rest. So what I do is my 3rd finger is already on the correct string for that C chord. I just need to slide it down to the 3rd fret, get the rest of my fingers for the C, strum that C, 2, 3, 4, all right? And then your D, 2, 3, 4, okay? So one more time on that pre-chorus. You've got C, D, A, rest, A, rest, A, C, 2, 3, 4 to D, 2, back to the chorus, A, rest, A, rest, rest. Okay, now you've got a post-chorus, and all it is your 1 finger A chord, A, D. You do that twice, so it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, A, 2 and 3, 4. Kind of an offbeat thing there, but I know you guys can get it. So it's A, D, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, A, rest, A, rest, A, rest, A, quarter note on A, and then A, D, do it again, A, D, and then back to the main riff, or sorry, the A power chord. All right, so if you were to do the verse into pre-chorus, it would sound like this. So your verse is A, F sharp, A, F sharp. All right, and then it goes C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, A power chord, A, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, back to the chorus, A, single note, A. And your post-chorus, A, D, A, D, A, we have one more thing we have to look at. So the second time through the verse, when you're going A to F sharp, right, you go to that pre-chorus, which is C to D, and then back to the power chord. But in this case, the second time through, you're gonna go C, this would be the second verse, to D. You skip that and you go straight to the chorus. So it's A to F sharp, and then you do that twice, and then it's C, D, and then straight to. Alright, that is everything you guys need to know to play the easiest version of Slow Ride on the internet. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you'd like to see the lead line go up, let me know, and maybe I'll post that one up as well later. We want to provide as much value as we possibly can to the beginner guitar community out there on the internet. Go check out our website, hit like and subscribe, check out the Instagram. We really appreciate the support. You guys have a great day.